reload the time. That's not my magazine.
He just moved back a little farther.
Yeah, I know, I see him.
Alright.
I got a visual on John. Fucking magazine. Fuck, if this wasn't airsoft, this would be so much quicker. Hey, take this for me.
That's Kyle.
I was just about to light him up too. Hey, Jacob, I see him moving by the shed.
By the shed? Alright, that's probably where he fell back. Alright.
No. He fell back right here, just like 10 yards behind where he was.
Okay.
He's still there.
What do you want? Shit, careful. Alright, let's hold this position.
Alright.
That's all I can think of right now.